You say, Jay?
Well, yeah, we do have some showers on the way. Probably over the next 2 to 3 hours, they'll be moving down through the city, but they're going to help us cool off as well. But it's amazing to me. Every time we see that Danny contest, it doesn't matter if it's beautiful outside, cold, or hot like today, that place is jam-packed. Good to see. Okay, impact weather moving in over the next couple of hours. Scattered showers and storms will slip in from the north. High heat and humidity, though, no doubt that's going to continue tomorrow and Wednesday. The heat advisory has been extended right through midweek. And then finally, a little bit more substantial relief looks to be headed our way later in the work week. All right, here's the radars. You can see still nothing around the metro as we pull out and take a look at all of the viewing area. The Commonwealth, not much happening. But we have this decent band of showers and storms moving steadily south and southeast across southern Indiana. About 30 miles or so, 20 to 30 miles north of Louisville, right through Salem, back off to the northwest. These are producing some locally heavy rainfall and some gusty winds, but more importantly, cooling folks off. And I think this band will continue to settle southward as we move into the early evening hours, right through the metro and even south of town down to near the parkways as the mid-evening hours wear on. So some good news there, a temporary cool down on this Monday evening. Out ahead of the storms around 7 o'clock in town, 92. Once they move on through, we'll quickly drop into the 70s and just kind of hold there, even though we'll be drying out through the overnight. Look at those storm tops off to the north. Live look from the tower cam downtown looking across southern Indiana. Those are some of the scattered storms that will arrive over the next couple of hours. 93 degrees in town. It's still a scorcher out there. Look at the feel like 104. A southwesterly breeze in here, just shy of 10 miles per hour. So the bigger picture is showing still lots of heat and humidity in store the next 2 days. When you wake up in the morning, temperatures will likely be in the middle and upper 70s, okay? A quick climb, a mix of sun and clouds on your Tuesday. Just like today, those temperatures, they're gonna jump big time by midday through the afternoon. Matter of fact, we're expecting highs back into the low, possibly middle 90s. You factor in the humidity, it'll feel like the century mark, if not higher than that. 105 to 110 is what I'm expecting tomorrow on the feel like temperature. And for that reason, there's your heat advisory, not only tomorrow, but it extends through Wednesday. Okay, now the good news. Thursday, here comes a system. A frontal system will work across the region. It'll bring with it scattered showers and storms on Thursday. But behind it, Friday, Saturday, much of the upcoming weekend, cooler, less humid air looks poised to move in from the north. All right, so here's your forecast. Scattered showers and storms over the next couple hours. And yeah, we'll get some temporary relief from those as we dive into the 80s, even the 70s. Your detailed 12-hour forecast tomorrow, I think much of the day is dry. There could be a stray storm, but most stay dry. Everybody hot again, 94 your high. Heat index as high as 108. And your 7-day forecast, Vicki, Rick, 2 more real scorching days, so to speak, and then we get the scattered storms in here Thursday. Much better for the weekend. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, cooler, less humid, 80s. It'll feel a whole lot better as you're outside this weekend.
Talk about that Danny contest. I can't help but think of John Wlky, former meteorologist. He did so good at that. Microphone in his hand, he could smack that thing.
He did each and every time. Wonderful.